Good day, everyone. Throughout my life, I've heard blame being given to a they, a group of people called they. And this word I have heard since I was very young. They did this, they are responsible for that. Just they. And I always battled in trying to understand who they are because very few people ever explain to me. Um, who is related to they, and it's almost like people saying that they don't want you to ascribe he or him or she or it or whatever to who they are as a person. This they word was quite commonly used, is still being commonly used, and I just heard someone use this again with regards to him believing that the earth is flat, and not just that it's flat but that it's within a stadium, and that they are covering this up, they are hiding this from you, um, and I just wanted to make a video about this phenomenon of people using the word they. And if you are one of the people often using that word, then you should maybe do introspection, reflection, and wonder why you are authoritatively speaking about something that you cannot ascribe to specific people, individuals. And maybe the problem is with you. If you want to blame something on someone or an organization or a government or a religious institution or whatever, then find out who it is and name them, specify. Don't use the word they. It holds no authority with me. It means nothing to me. And I want you to tell me in the comments if you ever used to do this in the past, if you're still doing it, and if you've changed, if you've actually moved beyond using the word they. I know I've spoken about this many times in the past, but I've never dedicated a video to this issue because generally conspiracy theorists tend to use the word they because they don't want to take responsibility for doing proper research and then actually naming the individuals involved in, as they believe, that covered up the entire moon landing, or the individuals that is saying that the earth is a globe when we have pictures, when we have video footage and many other things. And it doesn't matter how much you reason, I need you to say who they are. Then say all the people of the planet is crazy, except those that believe the earth is flat. Specify, because then one can quantify things. Then one can say that you're 0.00001% of the population that believe this, and that you then want to try and promote this so that more people believe whatever it is you're believing. So stop using the word they and specify. Don't be intellectually lazy. And tell me in the comments what you think of people that use the word they. And I see it as a cop-out to taking responsibility for the crap you speak. Thanks so much. Till the next video.